Technical alignment between WEB and Wartsila has been ongoing at all levels, including executive, since November of 2022, and in an improved structured manner since March of 2023, to address all areas of concerns within the RECIP IV power plant, and specifically the control system, among others, that have been identified from all the blackouts and brownouts, 5 blackouts and 1 brownout between June 2022 to January 2023. That took place since the project was professionally handed over in June of 2022. By June the 1st, WEB will sign a contract for temporary power of 20 megawatts additional to have it available by August in view of the yearly top demand period of September-October, when the absence of wind can be anticipated, while on the other hand, approaching large consumers and pursuing mitigating the energy demand. WEB is on a midterm pursuing batteries at Balashi site, but also expansion of phase 3 with 2 additional motors. And on the long term, we as Aruba really have to materialize the renewable expansion urgently. Solar can be developed in about a year, wind in about 2 to 3 years. WEB is going to tackle this transition, but as a nation we have to tackle the aspiration for 50% renewable only based on the least cost option. Convinced that through all this toiling in stabilizing and consolidating RECIP IV, a solid partnership has further been forged with Wartsila that will contribute to our aspiration for responsibly achieving 50% renewable energy by 2030. Let's celebrate this lasting cooperation with Wartsila of more than 27 years. Thank you, WEB, and in particular the operators, projects, and all other departments in Wartsila and the subcontractors. And let's cherish this moment to fortify and ensure continuity of much-needed alliance with partners that bring prosperity and well-being to our island nation, Aruba.
Aruba has been on this path in a very strong way with the addition of Phase 4 rice project completion. How do we do these things? How do we enable these decarbonization pathways, these journeys? It's with people. Wartsila represents about 18,000 people globally. We call ourselves Wartsilians. That sounds like an alien, right? Well, don't worry, they're just from Finland. It's not that scary. So these 18,000 Wartsilians are on this mission with our customers, with the people of countries like Aruba, with companies like WEB, trying to do the right thing with their generation portfolios to better the planet and to have a sustainable future together. And we're proud and honored to do that with companies and with countries like Aruba. Our footprint here in Aruba is, as an engine guy, really cool. To the Balashi site and seeing all of our engines over different technology generations, it's been a real pleasure to be a frequent visitor to this location. For that was very interesting, and we're here to support. We're here to support your existing assets, the WEB operations team, the WEB maintenance team. This is a long-term relationship. We're like married to each other, and we love to be married to people like WEB.
We are so proud as Arubians of the WEB Aruba NV. We are so proud as government and as a nation of WEB Aruba NV. I do want to repeat, we consider WEB Aruba NV what the refinery may have represented a moment being a pillar in our economy. We consider WEB Aruba NV that golden pillar for our economy. It is so important. And seeing all Arubian faces, professionals, carrying, accompanying under the leadership of Alfredo and his management team, my last message to Wartsila is, this is a final takeover, but it's not the final moment in this relationship. We respect the credibility, innovation that Wartsila represents. When the moment demanded, I went on the internet, went on the website of Wartsila. We needed, let's say, magic intervention. I made a call and they put me in contact with Riso. Alfredo was just named CEO, and he stepped up to the challenges with his team, with all of you who are here present and all of those still working. Thank you for sticking with us. And I think while there is a final takeover today, let it be just the beginning of great things ahead for the benefit of WEB Aruba that we're so proud of, and also for the benefit of Wartsila.